applicants can view their saved applications for GST registration in two ways. First, by using the TRN, which doesn't require logging in, and second, by using the My Saved Applications option after logging in to the GST portal. This video will show you the steps involved in both these two methods. First, let's assume that you are a new taxpayer and have the TRN available. Start by visiting the GST portal using the web address displayed on your screen. From the menu bar on the top of GST portal's home page, expand the Services menu, click the Registration category, and select the New Registration option. On the New Registration page that opens, select the TRN option. Enter the TRN, the CAPTCHA code, and click Proceed. This will send a verification SMS on your registered mobile phone number and email address. Once you receive the OTP, enter it here and click Proceed. The page will refresh and display your saved applications. This was one way of doing it. The second method works if you are already a registered taxpayer and have filed for another registration. In that case, you need to first log in to the GST portal with your user ID and password. Assuming you have already logged in, expand the Services menu, click the User Services category, and select the My Saved Applications option. The page will refresh and display your saved applications. It's that simple.